Thank you very much. Today I will discuss the subtraction of between the 3-digit and the 2-digit number for class 2 students. And I will give you the example. But before that, I just want to suggest the students that the table should be remembered frequently from 0 to 9 at least. Now I will start with the example. Just I have given the example 1. In example 1, subtract 59 from 266 by borrowing from tens to 1. This method is a regrouping method. And one thing I also want to inform the students that either addition or subtraction, there are two ways, horizontal way and the column wise or vertical wise. But I will suggest that the vertical and column is the best method of addition, subtraction as well as multiplication. Just see how you do it. Before that, at this stage, you should know which one is minuend, which one is subtrahend. And you should write the place means ones, tens, hundred. Ones means first place, tens means second place, third means h place, 100 place. Because of that, it's called place. It is not a place value. Now, the largest number, which is a 3-digit number, is minuend. And the lower number of 2-digit is the subtrahend. A student can surprise that I have written 0 here. Because in any number, if you write 0 in the left hand side, the numbers remains the same. Because of that, I have put 0 here. And the difference is equal to here. Now just go with the stepwise. Write the subtraction in column which I have written here. 266 minus 9. Now step 2. When you are going for step 2, then you should be clear that subtraction is done at O first, then second at T, and finally H. So step 2 is that because of I have written at O. Since minuend is less than subtrahend, so you cannot do subtraction at least for this class of the student. So what you have to do? You have to make subtrahend more than minuend. So for that, what you will do? You have to borrow from T to ones. And if you borrow 1 T, then 6 at T becomes 5. And then you have borrowed 10 because 1 T is equal to 10 ones. So it goes to here 10. So just say minuend is less than subtrahend, hence borrow 1 T is equal to 10 O from T to O, leaving 5 at T because 1 is given to the ones. Now step 3, minuend at O becomes 10 plus O is equal to 16. So now here minuend is more than subtrahend. So now difference at O is equal to 16 O minus 9 is equal to 7, and write 7 at O of the difference. How difference has been done? Just say, in a subtraction, the largest number should be extreme on the right hand side, and subtrahend number equal to subtrahend number, you make a square like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. That means 16 is also O, and here 9 is also O. So go backward counting from right to left. So before 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So the 7 is left. So you make 7 here and write this 7 below R O of differences. Now just here, now 5 number is left at T. So 5 minus 5 is equal to 0 and 2 minus 0 is equal to 0. That's how you have done the subtraction by borrowing from tens to 1. And rest has been written with the, you can say, step by step. Now next we should go. Now here subtract 83 from 245 by borrowing from h to t. And be careful that if you are borrowing 1h, so it is equal to 10t. This I have already spoken in recent time. Now this, just see again, write the place value, ones, tens, 100, minuend is 245 and subtractant is 83. Now we have to make a difference of that. And just question is borrowing from h to t. So in ones at O, just see at O, minuend minus subtractant is equal to 2. So I have written 2 here. But at t, since minuend is less than subtrahend, minuend is 8. So hence borrow 1h is equal to 10t from h to t. So if you borrow 1h from this, 2 becomes 1 and 1h becomes 10t. Now at t, just say 10 plus 4, 14. 10 plus 4, 14t, because you have added minuend after borrowing, then subtract 14 minus 8 and just do the again backward counting. Largest minuend is here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and just go back 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 6. So write 6 here. Next is at h, 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. That's end the difference. And just note, the formula for difference is always minuend minus subtrahend is equal to difference, where minuend is always greater than subtrahend, then you can do the difference as far as class 2 student is concerned. Next, just see here, example again I have given for practice. 143 minus 88, 45, 445 is equal to minus 7, 281 minus 91, 651 minus 47 and E. There are 5 problems I have given. And if you do difference like this, when you go to higher classes, horizontal difference one can manage easily. But for class 2 students, class 1 students, you mention this is the horizontal and vertical, but prefer to explain them in a vertical. Plus, also you mention place, ones, tens and 100. This is the place. Place means position of digits at O, TH. O is first, T is second, H is third. You repeat many times because I am teaching the students. I know they are failing. If you are talking once, twice, thrice, it will not remember. You have to always force to write the students minuend and subtrahend and differences and follow the process like this. Just see at O, minuend minus subtrahend is equal to 3. 5 minus 3. You can also by backward counting like this. Just see here. Largest number is minuend 5. Make square 1, 2, 3. Go backward counting 4, 3, 2 is equal to 2. It becomes 2. Simple way. Similarly here just see step 2. This is at O and this is at T. अब देखिए, you borrow 1h to T. 1h you are borrowing. So if you are borrowing from 3, it becomes 2 after borrowing, or 10t at T. And also now T digits becomes 10 plus 7, 17. All T. And now after 17, minuend is more than 8. So what you can do, you subtract 17 minus 8. Just see here. Backward counting, largest T 17 here. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can go backward counting 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. 9, so it becomes 9 here. And 2, अगर 0 आप यहाँ पर लिख दीजिए, as you mentioned, 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. That's end the difference. Now just see, in the class, they have not told you the way in which I am telling you. They are only making some figures, 4, 5, 6, and they are mentioning that you go backward counting by this number. No, put like this. Backward counting is always from right to left, and forward counting is from left to right. Thank you very much.